Today is Saturday and I'm preparing our brunch with the leftover corned beef from last night's St. Patrick's dinner. This corned beef. Just cooking this like potatoes first. Now this is like cooking. Let's harvest some like chard in the garden. It's a beautiful day today. I'm going to harvest this Swiss chard. This colorful Swiss chard. It's about to bolt. You can see from here that it's sending like a very like tall or long stalk. It means it's going to bolt like really soon, which is fine because we're going to use this like part of the garden to grow tomatoes. Look at this. I love this like chard because it's like very colorful and very nutritious too. Let's harvest that one over there. This. Chard is perfect for like a frittata or like omelette. It has a very mild taste too, or even for like smoothie if you're making those like vegetable smoothies or healthy smoothies. Purple kale. This is Russian kale. Let's see. So these are. Oh, let's get a green one too. There's actually like a green one here. Sort of green, and it has like beautiful like leaves. Let's get one. Oh my, it's like this. It's huge. There you go. Here's our colorful harvest. Now let's add the corned beef. And then let's add the celery and broccoli. And then this beautiful harvest. Look at this. This beautiful looking chard. Look at that. Very colorful. Super nutritious too. Let's add it here. And then salt. And let's add back the potatoes. Brunch is almost ready, so I have this last like egg. I just need to harvest like an orange for like sort of dessert. We are going to harvest.
Orange tree. You get some oranges. This is an orange tree. This is a
Oh, you're kumquat. Yeah, that's a kumquat tree. It's weekend. Like neighbors are cleaning up their backyard. Here, Baba. You can harvest this one. Can you reach it?
That one?
Yeah, you can step here. No problem stepping there.
You mean here?
Yeah.
Soil?
Yeah. Yes.
There's glass there, by the way.
Oh, more forward more. There you go. You can put it. There you go. And then one more. Yeah, there.
Now it's testing my limbo skills. Well, I'm good in limbo. No! Now it's covered in soil.
We're eating our brunch here in the backyard garden. Come, Josh.
Oh, I thought that was a home.
We have this and then the oranges. Let's eat. Come here, Josh.
Coming. And we're coming.
Me of the bees. Right? See, Josh? There's a hummingbird behind you. Josh likes hummingbird. Having a relaxing brunch. What's your brunch, Josh?
These leaves are known to be stuck to the stem.
Are they?
So they're a bit hard to cut.
Oh.
You need to do precise
Josh is collecting
leaves.
all the leaves.
But we can't collect the fig tree leaves.
Yeah, there are no leaves for the fig tree yet. I'm watering the plants right now because it's windy and a little warm, so they are like kind of dry. They're starting to bolt. Yes. Probably using some of them for tonight's dinner, either a rice bowl or just like fish and shrimp wrapped in those leaves. Are you getting this one? Is nice, Josh. You can get those. Yeah,
It looks rough.
the freckled lettuce. Yes, it is rustic.
Oh, there we go. And look at these leaves. So awesome. So awesome leaves.
Right?
Yes. What is this leaf?
It's gorgeous. That is freckled lettuce.
Gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is the most beautiful leaf. Look at that bee. It's enjoying the blossom.
That's right. Look at here. The nectarine.
You see these parts? This one has all of the pollen.
Yes. Oh, it's so fragrant. I didn't know that there's like nectarine, right? Check the scent of the flower and then let me know which one is more fragrant. That's nectarine, or the other one over there. That's a plum tree.
This one?
Yeah. And we have variegated calamondin right next
This
to
one
the
is
plum
more
tree.
fragrant.
It is very fragrant, right? This one is super fragrant. Oh my gosh. That is very, very fragrant.
I made plant food.
Plant food. This is our herb garden. So we have this is oregano and we have mint over there. And this is basil. Oh yeah, those are lilies. This is actually the part of the garden that I would like to clean up. Look, so I'm going to turn this into a flower garden. We have another flower there. So this part I'm going to plant some flowers. I'm going to show you the seeds that I'm planning to scatter there.
So this is my collection of leaves. Here we have the bok choy leaf. Here we have the broccoli leaf. Here I call this the twin leaf.
Okay.
And then this is a kale leaf.
That's right.
This one is
Fennel.
fennel. This one is rosemary. Very, very fragrant.
Fragrant, yeah, super fragrant.
And then this is
Freckled lettuce.
this one I call long leaf.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Wow, you have a lot of collection of leaves.
And then this is a lavender leaf.
That's so good too. Oh.
My leaf. I lost one, but this one is a calamansi. So this one is a calamansi leaf.
Oh.
This one is a stem leaf because it's stuck to the stem. And then this one is the calamansi leaf.
Oh, awesome, Josh. Wow, you have a collection of leaves. Good job. What's the plan? Make a salad.
I'm gonna make something with the bowl.
Okay. And this one, I have this. It's actually very late already, but these are what I'm going to. I hope this is on the notes. It's going to. Oh yeah, maybe it will still sprout out. And this one, it started to sprout already. These are harlequin flowers, and then these are wildflowers. And also we have more plants here. I'm going to plant a watermelon radish too. I have this in the front yard, and then this one I'm going to this too. I'm going to scatter there. Aren't they gorgeous? This one, they started to sprout already, so hopefully they're still okay. Like you see, like this plants. So let's start to plant them. So here, like this. See, let's plant them here. They will be happy that they are on the ground now.
What is that white stuff?
Which one? This?
Yes.
These are buds of like gorgeous flowers.
Oh, that's nice.
I
We
know.
need to do that. Mommy?
Yes, it's windy now. Yes, Josh.
Mommy,
Yes,
can I get leaves from the plum tree?
of course.
Thank you.
It's windy now. The wind has picked up. Anyway, let's continue planting this. And then I'm going to scatter all those other seeds. And then see how it goes.
Hi, Mommy. I
Josh.
brought you some flowers.
Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. Thanks, Josh.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love which one? The pink one is my favorite. See? Oh, they are beautiful, Josh.
Thank
Right.
you.
Where did you get them?
I got them from there.
Oh, come here, Josh. Let's look at the peach blossoms. Peach blossoms are gorgeous. Yes, come here, Josh.
So this is our peach blossom.
Gorgeous, right?
Yes.
Look at the beautiful blossoms.
I should go hunting for more flowers.
These are all Josh like flowers. Like you pick these flowers.
I can tell what they are.
I'm trimming the grapevine.
When we get back, I'll do some things and then we're gonna work on the homework. Double time. Homework.
The pear blossoms. Don't worry, because the lavender is so fragrant compared to that one. Smell it. It's not spray. Look at this.
Look at this lavender.
Yeah, those are
I tried
gorgeous.
to get the bees to get on the leaf.
What is? Are you trying to attract the bees?
I'm trying to stand